Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. Today I am participating in a spring kitchen vignette challenge hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. And the rules for this challenge are you have to use a tray and spring flowers, and it has to be spring related, like you could use a bird or a bunny, and you have to use words. So if you want to see what I did in this challenge, stick around. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I want to show you what I came up with for this spring kitchen vignette challenge hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. Be sure to check out her channel in the playlist so you can see what others created. But what I did is I started off with my tray, and I'll show you my tray. Let's just move the little bird and bunny out the way and the flowers. This is a tray that I created last spring, and I will link the video of what I did for this tray, which is an old picture frame and some paper from Hobby Lobby. And so with the flowers, I picked up this little bucket from the Dollar Tree, and it says Flowers and Garden. And then I got these very pretty dogwood flowers. Like the pink with the little yellow and the cute little finch there. I got that also from the Dollar Tree. And then I decided to put this little turquoise or teal color bird and the bunny on the tray. And I had them, and I got those from Hobby Lobby. And I think they came out really, really cute, and it's something that's simple and easy that can be moved to my kitchen table. So if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and check out the other creators. And don't forget, peace and chicken grease. Bye-bye.